But my goodness, look at that! Look at that! A teaspoon of lemon essence. This is half a cup of water. And here I have 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. When you get to this part, don't overmix the flour. I'm applying margarine on the sufuria. The last time we baked, keki ilikatalia kwa hii sufuria ya rice cooker. So today we thought of putting an ungreased paper. Hopefully haita stick. Yeah. I honestly hope it works. Here is the rice cooker. It's a Ramtom's rice cooker. And the thing about baking with this one, from what I have seen, usually when you're cooking rice with it, mchele kiva huwa inajizima. So the period of kuweka mchele na mchele ive, that period is not enough for a cake to bake. So when that time lapses, it will go off. Alafu itabidi ungoje kidogo, it cools down, and then you switch it on again. So when you connect it to power, it starts from warm. Alafu unaipeleka kwa cook. So we put the cake batter at 1459. Alafu ikajizima. The rice cooker went back to warm at 1504. So I've just put it back to cook at 1509. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. How many hours later? Almost 2 hours later. So imezimika, ikawaka, and it's ready. It's ready. It's not completely ready. You have to wait a few minutes. So a few minutes later, yes. So hapa juu ndio inakaa haijaiva kabisa. Tuitoe hivyo. So I've let it rest for about 5 minutes or so. I think it's perfect now. Look at that! Nataka karibu iungue. hapa karibu iungue. But my goodness, look at